Welcome to the demonstration video of the NIC Inspection App 2.0. Here, we will show you in details how to log into the app, do inspection for EC Portal and UB Portal, taking photos and uploading, re-upload failed uploads, and view successful uploads. So, let's get started. Launch the app by clicking the NIC Inspection app icon in your phone. Make sure your mobile data is turned on and GPS location is set to high accuracy mode before launching the app. This is the first screen of the app. As you can see, there are two options to log in, UB Portal and EC Portal. You can select either. The procedure for doing inspection is same for both. We will do this demonstration by selecting EC Portal. Username and password for doing EC inspection and UBP inspections are same as that of your EC Agents portal and UB portal respectively. This is the home screen of the app. On top right hand corner of the screen, you can see a timer counting down. Make sure you complete the entire process before the timer runs out. As you can see, there are two options, New Inspections and Saved Inspections. Click on New Inspections to initiate an inspection. Enter the vehicle registration number and click on Proceed. You will get an instruction to take front photo of the vehicle with the model picture. Click on Take Photo button to launch the camera. As you can see, full screen camera is launched. You can toggle camera flash on or off using the camera flash button. Click on the capture button to capture an image. You will be shown a preview of the captured image. You can pinch in or out on the image to zoom in or out. If you are not satisfied with the photo, you can click on retake and repeat the process. As you can see, your location and time will be automatically stamped on the bottom of the image. Once you are satisfied, click on Next button to take photo of the left side of the vehicle as shown in the model picture. Then rear side of the vehicle. After that, you will be prompted to take the photo of the right side of the vehicle. Then the odometer reading. Then the engine number or the chassis number. Then registration certificate of the vehicle. Then finally, selfie of the agent with the vehicle in the background. As you can see here, the front camera of the phone will be launched instead of the rear one. Finally, click on the upload button to upload all the images. The photos will be uploaded to our server on a speed depending upon your internet connectivity. Make sure you have a good 4G or high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity to upload the images. However, in case your upload fails because of bad internet connectivity or server error, you will be allowed to retry 2 more times. You will also have an option to upload later. If you click on upload later, the photos will be stored inside your phone in an encrypted format. You can access these saved images by clicking Saved Inspections on the home screen. Click on Upload to upload the images or Delete to delete them from your mobile. Note that you have to upload the images on the same day of taking it. For your future reference, one copy of the uploaded images will be stored on a folder named NIC Inspection in your phone's gallery. You will not be able to view these images inside the phone's gallery unless they are successfully uploaded to our server. This app is scalable to upload videos by customers even, provided company's policy supports the same.